I have been glazing Adobe for the past 5 years.
Wow!
And I only use Premiere, Photoshop and other Adobe apps. But I have to get out of my comfort zone and try this little shit, Canva. I already know that it has no comparison to Photoshop, but the way people around me say the name Canva makes me wanna do something. So I am gonna do something today. I'm gonna recreate this thumbnail inside Canva. You can see that it has a lot of textures, glow, vignette and whatnot. As soon as I open Canva, I get hit by this. Not good. I know Adobe is literally paid, but that is alright, even though it's not. Well, we have a lot of presets, which would be great for any normal channel, but my channel is not normal, so these presets won't work for me. Let's just have a blank canvas then. Okay, we need to upload our stuff. Sorry, I had used Canva when there was no other option. Hard times, you know. I immediately hate this resizing technique used here. Like, what the hell is this? Just why? Maybe even Figma even has this kind of... Anyways. I usually add vignette using a soft brush because I want non-circular vignette, like something just custom. But we don't even have a soft brush here. I mean, that is kind of a basic thing. So I managed to find this nice arrow, but I can't stretch it. Like, I want to resize it, but this resizing jutsu they're using is absolute ass. I had to use this other arrow instead, which seems to be the same arrow, but just stretched. So why can't I stretch it myself? I can't even find the font I use for thumbnail. It is not a very popular font, so I guess it's alright. But how do I even upload more fonts here? Am I just limited to the font collection Canva has? I don't know. Canva really don't know the art of resizing, and that is not enough to hate it, but I will. They don't have a soft brush. We're gonna settle with using this gradient element, and the fact I can't stretch it irritates me in somewhere in my head. By the way, if you have time, check out this affiliate plugin. Since my channel is not monetized, that's how I basically earn. Thank you. So we have managed to make vignette, which takes one click, by the way. It looks very plain and simple. I want to add textures, but it seems like there is no blending options. So how am I gonna add textures now? And I also want to highlight these, but just can't because there's no soft brush or blending mode. So we managed to make a decent thumbnail in Canva, but it wasn't good enough to make me stop glazing Adobe. Subscribe.